In this video, you will learn how to compute the area of your property. First, we will import the file containing the property boundaries. After the import, let us switch to a different drawing file, where we will polygonize the imported lines. To do that, we use the polygonize command. Using the fill polylines command, we can now create a filling for the newly created polyline. In the meantime, all other property boundaries were polygonized using the same workflow. With the fill polylines command, we can now select multiple polylines and create a slightly different filling for the other properties. By right-clicking one of the fillings, we can create a label to compute the area of the filling. After placing the first label, we select all the other fillings we want to label. By clicking the Go button, Allplan will automatically place all of the labels. Now we can see the area of our and all the neighboring properties. Lastly, let us change the scale so that the labels get more visible for our plan.